Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
There's a company out there called Marastar Tires. They are a division of Carlisle Tires, which a lot of you out there know Carlisle Tires because they are like a standard tire on your riding lawnmower. I'll bet you if you go outside and look at the side of the tire on your riding lawnmower, it's probably going to say Carlisle Tires on it. The owner of Marastar Tires, his name is John Foster, and that's why I thought it would be a little bit appropriate to have a Foster's Lager going today. John Foster, Marastar Tires, he sends me an email right out of the blue, and he says, Steve, I've seen your videos, and send me the make and model of your riding lawnmower and your shipping address. I want to send you something. Well, who's not going to say no to that, right? So I sent that to him. This is what he sent me. A brand new set of tires for my John Deere LA 125. This is super cool. And you know what the best part about this is? Is that he didn't ask me to do a video on this. He just said, Steve, I'm going to send you these tires. Put them on your riding lawnmower. Try them out and let me know what you think. Well, John, I hope you don't mind, but obviously I'm doing a video on this anyways. Let's talk about treads for a second. The treads on my John Deere riding lawnmower right now are these treads, and it comes standard on most of them. They're called, that tread pattern right there is called Turf Saver tires, okay? And that's like a happy medium between getting traction and not ripping your lawn up. Now check out the meat on these rear tires right here. That is crazy. Yeah, maybe it's going to tear up your lawn a little bit if you have a manicured lawn, but you're going to get way better traction out of this. The tread pattern on these rear tires right here is called Turf Traction tires. These rear tires are actually directional tires. There's a left and a right. If you get them backwards or whatever, well, they're still going to work, but they get maximum traction if you go directional on them left and right. Now look at the front tire. Look at that. That's way more meaty than those Turf Traction tire or those Turf Saver tires. A lot more aggressive on there. And these front tires right here, they are called multi-trac treads, and they're not directional. You can put them left and right, whatever you like. I don't know if John at Marastar is a mind reader or what, but these tires are the ones that I would have ordered anyways. He didn't ask me what treads I wanted. He just sent these ones. I literally would have ordered these ones myself instead of the Turf Saver tires because I don't have a nice manicured lawn. I have, my lawn has about 55% moss, about 72% broadleaves, and then there's about 45% grass. So that adds up to, well, it's exactly 100%. Yeah, don't go check that. Just trust me, it's 100%. I have some links right underneath of this video in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can go back and click on those links to get back to all three of these treads. Marastar sells the Turf Savers even, and these ones. Check those, the links out. And you know what? If you don't want that yellow rim on there, because you don't have a John Deere, when you click on one of those links, just scroll down a little bit and it'll show you a whole bunch of different ones from Marastar that will also work on your riding lawnmower, different rims or whatever. Or you can just buy the skins too if you want to. I don't think there's anything left I need to do except go put these on my riding lawnmower right now and try them out, see what they look like. I'll meet you outside. I think that's pretty damn cool. Thank you again, Mr. Foster from Marastar. And I'm drinking a Foster's Lager for you right now. And I really think that's it. Let's go. Cheers. Steve out.